Myself Ritika Sharma, teacher of Ambit International School, Nayagaon, Kota. So today we will be starting chapter 14, which name is Dal Delight. Chapter 14, Dal Delight. Sadiq's father Muhammad Qadir was a wonderful cook and his greatest specialty was dal. When Nawab Hasan Ali, who liked to taste new dishes, visited their shop, Sadiq was very excited. He was confident that his father's special dishes would definitely make the Nawab happy. What happened then? So let's start. Sadiq was sitting in his father's food shop in a small lane of Lucknow, fanning files away from a tray of biryani. Suddenly, he saw a man in a silk sherwani get down from a horse. So, Sadiq के जो फादर थे मोहम्मद कादर, उनकी शॉप थी लखनऊ के एक स्मॉल लेन में और सडनली सादिक ने नोटिस किया दैट अ मैन इन अ सिल्क शेरवानी गेट्स डाउन फ्रॉम अ हॉर्स. ही लुक्स रिच, वो रिच दिखता है. इज ही कमिंग टू आवर शॉप? सादिक वंडर्ड. सादिक वॉज थिंकिंग दैट क्या वो हमारी शॉप की तरफ आ रहा है. Sadiq's father Muhammad Qadir looked up from the kebabs he was frying as one of the servants came forward and said grandly, Nawab Hasan Ali has come. So one of his servant has come to Sadiq Muhammad Qadir and said that Nawab Hasan Ali has come. The man in silk entered, looked around their small shop and said in both tones, I hear you are the famous cook Muhammad Qadir. तो जो मैन था जिन्होंने वो सिल्क शेरवानी पहन रखी थी, मीन्स जो नवाब हसन अली थे, वो इधर उधर स्मॉल छोटी ही शॉप को देख रहे थे एंड ही वॉज थिंकिंग कि क्या ही बनाता होगा, ये कैसी डिशेस बनाता होगा. एंड ही सेड इन अ बोल्ड टोन दैट आई हर्ड दैट यू आर अ गुड कुक. I like tasting new dishes. What is your specialty? So जो नवाब हसन अली हैं उन्होंने पूछा कादिर से that what is your specialty because I love to taste new dishes. Then Sadiq's father means Muhammad Qadir said that dal is his specialty and went on frying kebabs और वो अपने वापस कबाब फ्राई करने लग गए. The Nawab looked surprised. Nawab was very surprised कि दाल कैसे किसी की स्पेशलिटी हो सकती है. I can make biryani and mutton. So the Nawab asked to the Muhammad Qadir कि only दाल ही बना सकते हो. Then Muhammad Qadir means Sadiq's father said that I can make biryani and mutton curry and all the usual things, but you asked me what I cook the best. Qadir replied calmly. So Qadir ने बहुत ही calmly reply किया that I can make everything what is usual things, but you said that what is my specialty, what could I cook best. So मैंने दाल ही बताया, but दाल that doesn't sounds very exciting. So the Nawab said कि ये जो तुम दाल ही बना सकते हो, that doesn't sound very exciting. इससे तो कुछ भी excited नहीं लग रहा है. Let's see. My friend praised your cooking so much. I expected something better. So Nawab said that I was expecting something much better, that तुम कुछ और ही अच्छी dish prepare करोगे. But you haven't tasted the dal I make. So Muhammad Qadir said, but you haven't tasted the dal. आपने मेरी दाल टेस्ट ही नहीं की है. Fine. I will taste it. What kind of dal do you make? So the Nawab said कि fine, I will taste the dal. But what kind of dal do you make? कौन सी दाल बनाते हो? तो जो मोहम्मद कादिर है, सादिक्स फादर, उन्होंने कहा उड़द. So I make उड़द दाल. So get me some. Let's see what's so special about it. So Nawab said कि get me some dal so that I can identify that what is the special about it. I haven't got it now. So Qadir said, Sadiq's father said कि I haven't got it now, मैं अभी नहीं दे सकता. What? The Nawab was looking angry now. Sadiq realized worriedly. So अब नवाब को कोई मना करेगा तो obviously he got angry. Then Sadiq realized worriedly. Sadiq को बहुत ज़्यादा टेंस होने लग गया, बहुत ज़्यादा वो परेशान होने लग गया that कि if नवाब will be angry then वो कुछ भी कर सकते हैं. He can punish also. I only make my शाही दाल उड़द on order. कादिर said. कादिर ने कहा कि कादिर ने नवाब से कहा कि I only make my शाही दाल उड़द on order. मैं ऑर्डर पर ही अपनी शाही दाल उड़द को बनाता हूँ. It takes me a day to make it with secret spices. If your honor so wishes, I will cook it for tomorrow's lunch. So he said to Nawab that I will make it on order, and if you have to wish and if you wish to eat it, so I will make it by tomorrow lunch. So Nawab Hasan Ali said, all right, ठीक है, and I live nearby, you can bring it to my house. Then Nawab Hasan Ali said that I live nearby, मैं पास में ही रहता हूँ, and you can bring it tomorrow at my home. Then again Qadir said कि I'm sorry sir, but this is not possible, that is not possible. Sadiq side, again Sadiq got very worried. His father lost a lot of customers by being so difficult. उनके इस बिहेवियर से, सादिक के फादर के इस बिहेवियर से उन्होंने बहुत सारे अपने ऐसे कस्टमर्स को खो दिया है. Nawab Hasan Ali had never met such a rude cook, yet he answered amused, what's the problem now? Then Nawab Hasan Ali कभी ऐसे rude cook से नहीं मिले, but फिर भी he was amused, he was pleased with his behavior. What's the problem now? He said, what's the problem? So Qadir said, Huzur, to enjoy my dal, you will have to come to my shop to taste it. Then he said to Nawab Hasan Ali that if you want to enjoy my dal, then you will have to come at my shop. It spoils if it is taken off the fire, and your honor, once I call you, you will have to come immediately. So he again said to Nawab Hasan Ali that if I will take it off from the fire, it will spoil, and when I will call you, you will have to come immediately. Then Nawab Hasan Ali asked, really, what if I am late? क्या होगा अगर मैं लेट हो जाऊँ तो? I will throw the dal away or feed it to the poor. तो कादिर said कि if you will come late at my shop, I will throw the dal, या मैं तो दाल को फेंक दूंगा या फिर मैं पुआ को फेड करने के लिए दे दूंगा, मतलब किसी गरीब को दे दूंगा. As he slit some kebabs into the hot oil which began to hiss. Now वो अपना वर्क कर रहा था, अपने कबाब्स वगैरह फ्राई कर रहा था, और अपना कबाब्स फ्राई करते करते वो ये सब बातें उनसे कर रहा था. Nawab Hasan Ali shook his head. He had never seen a cook like Qadir. तो नवाब हसन अली मतलब उनको बहुत ज़्यादा बुरा भी लग रहा था, थोड़ा गुस्सा भी आ रहा था. ही बिकम सो फ्यूरियस, बट ही हैड नेवर सीन अ कुक लाइक कादिर. उन्होंने कादिर के जैसा कुक कभी नहीं देखा, बिकॉज ही वॉज सो रूड. ओह वेल, ही थॉट लेट्स टेस्ट हिज दाल फर्स्ट. सो ही थॉट दैट पहले इसकी दाल टेस्ट करते हैं, अगर पसंद नहीं आई तो ऑब्वियसली कुछ ना कुछ तो होगा ही सही. मे बी इट विल बी वर्थ द ट्रबल. Call me tomorrow when you are ready, he said, and left the shop. And he said to Qadir that call me if your dal will be ready. Sadiq sighed with relief that the Nawab had not lost the temper and gone away. And Sadiq felt very relaxed. So because जो नवाब है, he did not lost his temper and gone away. He knew that Nawabs often gave handsome rewards to cooks if they liked a dish, and his father had nearly spoiled everything. He was thinking that कि जो नवाब्स होते हैं, if they will like any dish, they will give reward to the cook. एंड जो इनके फादर थे, सादिक के फादर थे, ही वॉज थिंकिंग कि ये तो सब कुछ स्पॉइल करने ही वाले थे. It was lucky the Nawab had been in a good mood. It was very lucky, it was fortune for Sadiq that Nawab was in very good mood and agreed to everything Qadi said. In the evening, Sadiq went with his father to the market to buy ingredients for Shahi Urad dal. Only the best would do, of course. All of it had to be fresh and perfect. Sadiq heard in the market that Nawab Hasan Ali had rewarded many. So शाम के टाइम पे जब वो मार्केट गए, they bought all the spices, and they bought all the spices which is very fresh and perfect. So the Nawab had given many rewards to cook in the past. He hoped nothing would go wrong the next day. You never knew with his father. So he was thinking कि बस कल कुछ गलत ना हो, कल कुछ गलत ना हो, वो अपना टाइम पर कंट्रोल करके रखे और मेरे फादर भी ज़्यादा रूड ना हो. So वो ये सब सोच रहा था. He was thinking like this. Sadiq was at work early next morning, helping his father cleaning the dal, making ghee, grinding turmeric, peeling and chopping onions and ginger. So next day Sadiq was helping to his father. Then he watched Qadir cook the dal. The smell was mouth watering, and उसके थोड़ी देर बाद उसने देखा कि उसके जो फादर हैं वो दाल बना रहे हैं, and the smell was, the fragrance was mouth watering. मुंह में पानी आ जाए ऐसा उसका टेस्ट आ रहा था. With the dal, Kadir made a light cucumber raita, mint chutney and a dish of cauliflower and potatoes. So उन्होंने दाल के साथ साथ क्या क्या बनाया था? कुकुम्बर रायता बनाया था, मिंट चटनी बनाई थी and a dish of cauliflower and potatoes. Once the Nawab sat down to eat, he would serve freshly baked hot tandoori rotis. For dessert, there were balls of फिरनी. So once the Nawab sat down to eat और नवाब को सर्व किया गया, नवाब was served a freshly hot tandoori rotis and with the dessert like फिरनी. Sadiq had sneaked a quick taste of the dal when his father wasn't looking. It tasted heavenly. सादिक ने चुपके से उसके जो फादर ने दाल बनाई थी उसको टेस्ट किया एंड इट टेक्स लाइक हेवनली. बहुत ही यम टेस्ट था उसका. इट वॉज दो सीक्रेट स्पाइसेस दैट मेड ऑल द difference. The time was right. The dal in the pot bubbled softly on the stove and the time was right. दाल बन चुकी थी, पॉट में इसको रखा गया and वो बहुत ही ज़्यादा हॉट थी. The dough was ready to be slapped into rotis. The raita cooling in an earthen ball. Kadir turned to his son and said, "Go call the Nawab, son. I am ready to serve." And Kadir ordered to his son that go and call the Nawab that he is ready to serve his order. Sadiq ran all the way to Nawab's house. At the door, he painted to the servant, "I have come to call the Nawab Saab to lunch. The dal is ready." Sadiq went at Nawab's house and he said to the servant that I have come to call the Nawab to taste the dal. "Oh yes, Nawab Saab told me of that. Go up to the roof, he is flying kites." उन्होंने कहा, सर्वेंट ने कहा कि ऊपर चल जाओ, रूफ पर चल जाओ, वो kites फ्लाई कर रहे हैं. Sadiq puffed up the stairs to the roof. The Nawab and his friends were busy with kites and rolls of kites string. Sadiq went up to Hasan Ali and said apologetically, "Sir, the dal is ready. My father is calling you." So Sadiq told to the Nawab that the dal is ready. "My father is calling you. Please come hurriedly." Hasan Ali looked down at Sadiq and said, "Who? कौन हो तुम?" And said seems to remember. Oh हाँ, फिर उसको याद आता कि हाँ कल मैं आया था इनकी शॉप पे एंड मैंने दाल को ऑर्डर किया था. One of his friends laughed. "Forget the dal. Look, your kite is in danger. That green one is about to cut it." And he said, one of his friends said to Nawab that forget about the dal. भूल जाओ दाल के बारे में. Your kite is in danger. हम तो हमारे kites को fly करने में लगते हैं. Hasan Ali hurriedly pulled his kite away, yelling, "Just you wait, green devil, I will get you." But sadly, Sadiq gave up. All his dreams were drifting away. Sadiq was very sad because वो जो नवाब थे वो बहुत बिजी हो गए थे अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ. तो ही वॉज थिंकिंग कि नहीं अब ये नहीं आएंगे और मेरी जो मतलब मेरे फादर की जो दाल है वो ख़राब हो जाएगी और उनको पुअर्स को देनी पड़ेगी या फिर फेंकनी पड़ेगी और मुझे कोई रिवॉर्ड भी नहीं मिलेगा. So he knew his father's temper and Sadiq also knew his father's temper. He is very short tempered, he is very rude. Sadiq could forget about the reward and felt like crying. Slowly Sadiq walked home. He looked up to see the Nawab's kite flying just overhead. Then he noticed that his friend Aman was also flying a kite from his rooftop across the lane. Sadiq got an idea. He went up to his friend. Soon Sadiq was racing back to the Nawab's house. Up the stairs, he reached the roof to see Aman get his kite straight around the Nawab, give a quick pull and उन्होंने उसकी काइट कट कर दी. मीन्स जो सादिक था उसको सडन ही एक आइडिया आया कि वो अमन जो था उसका जो फ्रेंड था वो काइट फ्लाई कर रहा था एंड ही वेंट टू द अमन्स हाउस एंड उसने अमन का जो थ्रेड था, काइट का जो थ्रेड था वो लिया और उसने जो नवाब थी उनकी काइट को कट कर दिया. ओ नो, हसन अली groaned in dismay as his kite swept and fluttered to the ground. Your Honor, Sadiq said quickly, "The food is waiting. The dal is delicious." So Your Honor, again Sadiq said to the Nawab that Your Honor, your dal is ready and the food is very delicious. Oh yes, the Nawab suddenly seemed to remember. Now the kites has gone, let us eat. Now the Nawab has said कि अब तो kite खत्म हो चुके हैं, गेम भी खत्म हो चुका है, now let's come to eat. The Nawab and his friend walked with Sadiq. Nearing the shop, Sadiq raced ahead, his heart thumping nervously. जो सादिक था उसका हार्ट बहुत ज़्यादा तेज़ बीट कर रहा था बिकॉज वो बहुत ज़्यादा टेंस था कि क्या होगा क्या नहीं होगा, कैसा रिजल्ट निकलेगा. ओ गॉड, ही प्रेड, डोंट लेट माई फादर लूज हिज टेम्पर, प्लीज़ डोंट related to be late. They are coming, he yelled. Is everything ready? So वो दूर से चिल्लाने लगा, they are coming, वो आ रहे हैं, is everything ready, सब कुछ तैयार तो है ना. Muttered कादिर, कादिर ने कहा, of course सब कुछ ready है. What took you so long? तुमको इतना टाइम क्यों लग गया? The Nawab and his friend entered the shop. A white cloth was laid out in the best room with the food in the best balls on it. एंड उनको बिठाया गया, उनको वहाँ पे बॉल्स रखे गए, उनके सामने बहुत फ्रेश बॉल्स रखे गए. एज दे सेट डाउन ऑन द कारपेट, कादिर केम इन विद द दाल एंड सादिक फॉलोड विद पाइपिंग हॉट रोटीज ड्रिपिंग विद बटर. नवाब हसन अली ब्रोक अ पीस ऑफ रोटी एंड सादिक वॉज ब्रीथलेसली. नवाब हसन अली जैसे उन्होंने रोटी का एक जो पीस है वो तोड़ा, वो ब्रेक किया. जो सादिक था वो बहुत ही मतलब एकदम रुक गया, उसकी जो सांसें थी एकदम रुक गई. डिप्ड इट इन द दाल, पुट इट इन हिज माउथ, च्यूड स्लोली एंड देन हिज आइज क्लोज्ड. और जैसे ही नवाब हसन अली ने वो रोटी के साथ दाल लगाकर खाया, उन्होंने अपनी आंखें बंद कर ली, लाइक ही वॉज टेस्टिंग द फूड. ही सेड सॉफ्टली एज सादिक लेट आउट हिज ब्रीथ. और जैसे ही उन्होंने कहा वाओ, तो सादिक की जो ब्रीथ है वो वापस से नॉर्मल हो गई. द नवाब डिप्ड अ सेकेंड पीस ऑफ रोटी इन द दाल, टुक अ स्पोर्ट ऑफ रायता विद इट, च्वीड इट एंड ही सेड लाउडर. उनको बहुत ज़्यादा वो दाल पसंद आ गई. कादिर मियाँ, दिस शाही उड़द दाल इज़ वन ऑफ द हेवंस. तो उन्होंने कहा, द नवाब हसन अली सेड दैट टू कादिर दैट दिस दाल इज़ वेरी डिलीशियस. ही नेवर टेस्टेड इट. I have never tasted such dal before, even roast chicken pales before this. उन्होंने कहा that I have tasted many dishes, but this dal is like delicious, very yum. You deserve a reward. So he said to Qadir that you deserve a reward. Hasan Ali continued, what would you like? तुमको क्या चाहिए? For the first time that day, मोहम्मद कादिर स्माइल. मोहम्मद कादिर ने उस टाइम पहली बार स्माइल किया था किसी अपने कस्टमर की तरफ. आई वुड लाइक अ बेटर फूड शॉप योर ऑनर इन अ बिग मार्केट नियर द इम्बारा मे बी. तो उन्होंने कहा कि मुझे एक बड़े जो मार्केट है उसमें अपनी एक बड़ी सी शॉप चाहिए. डन, सेड हसन अली. डिपिंग इनटू द वेजिटेबल ही कॉल्ड वन ऑफ हिज सर्वेंट्स एंड वेव्ड एट कादिर. The servant bowed low and put a bag full of money in Qadir's hand. It should be enough. If not, ask for more. Now give me some more of your shahi dal and a roti, said Nawab Hasan Ali. And Nawab Hasan Ali को वो दाल इतनी ज़्यादा पसंद आई कि वो ख़त्म होने के बाद भी उन्होंने कहा कि मुझे और दे दो. And if you want some money, then you can ask me. So this was the extract. Hope you learned it. Thank you.